Hi, and welcome to my video, The Amazing Magic Bullet for Clickbank Marketing Success in the Year 2020. Hi, my name is Bill Gibson. Thank you for coming. Now, before I get started, I want to go over a quick overview of just what I will be covering. I'm going to be covering some of the problems and issues with that magic bullet, and I will also be talking about some solutions. But in a moment, I'm going to also show you how to get a roadmap from A to Z for that magic bullet in which you're looking after. Okay, so you ready? Let's get started. The first thing I want to share with you is this: the magic bullet syndrome. Number one, there are no shortcuts. The thing is that in this day and age, we live in a now society. I want everything now. Think about it. Fast foods, I want it now. Microwaves, you want your dinner now. Everything you see, or you're being programmed to believe that you want everything now. Part of the problem with Clickbank is the problem's not with Clickbank. The problem is with us. This is what I mean. We go on Clickbank, we read the marketing crap or the marketing stuff, and we're believing, okay, because they are appealing to our lower self, our lower nature. I'm telling you, this is really true. They are appealing to our lower nature, to our pains, and they know that buying pain helps. Buying from pain point of views helps. We are looking for shortcuts. We have a lottery in almost all 52 states. Shortcuts. We're looking for a shortcut. We're looking for shortcuts, and when it doesn't work, we're giving up too soon. So let's cover some of those magic bullets that you're looking for that are there, but are they really there? First one, you're going from course to course. You're going from one course to another course, looking for something that actually works. You try something, you try it for a week, you try it for a month, you're on too many mailing lists, you're getting emails about this and that and this and that. Check this out. This is a site. And this site, these are all launches, product launches. Most of these launches are in the, guess what, marketing field. And it goes all the way through. It goes all the way through to the end of the year. Look at that. Every single day. Every single day. So from a marketing point of view, every single day you're being hit with brand new things. This works, that works. It's the new software, new this, new that. Those are silver bullets. All right? You have to stop chasing silver bullets. There are no shortcuts. What else do we have? The next silver bullet. Whoa. The next silver bullet is listening to marketing gurus. It's a funny site right here. Listen, there are good people out there, there are bad people out there. That's just life, right? There are good and bad. The thing is, with these marketing gurus, this is what I have figured out. This is what I learned over the last couple of years. Most of these guys, in my opinion, are bad. Now, that's just my opinion. But I have to ask myself, I got to be honest, I got to ask myself, did I quit too soon? Did I do all these things? And the answer could be yes. Here's what I'm trying to tell you, is that just like school, just like college, some professors work for some people, some professors work for others. The thing about this Clickbank thing, the thing about this marketing online thing is that you got to find the professor that works well for how you learn. And then you got to put in the price to be the boss. Like James Brown said, you got to pay the price to be the boss. And the price you're paying is putting in the work. The shiny object syndrome. The shiny object syndrome is simple. Everywhere we go, we're looking at ads. Everywhere we go. You go to the store, ads. You get in your car and drive to work, ads. You turn on the radio, ads. You turn on the TV, ads. We see more ads in this day and age than anywhere. You go online, you go on Facebook, you go to your favorite social media site, ads. All you're going to see is ads. So the main thing I'm trying to tell you here is this. You have to be aware of that, and you got to block that stuff out. At the end of the day, with the silver bullet, with the shiny object, with the gurus, with all that stuff, you got to block that stuff out. But I'm going to give you some better solutions, so just hold tight. All right? What else we got? Looking for shortcuts. There are no shortcuts. There are no shortcuts to success. None. You got to put in the work. It's the journey along the way that makes you the way you want to be. You got goals. You got to put in the work. Okay, so now it's time to have some fun. Let's talk about these solutions. First one. The first solution is to turn off all the noise. How are you going to turn off all the noise? This is what I'm going to suggest. You need to write your goals down. You need to put your goals on paper. And here's the software that I will share with you to where you can put your goals either on your or on both, on your phone and on your computer, and you just write them out. This is a free software. It's called Workflowy. Here are all my goals. You can expand, contract, you can do all that stuff. I'm not a mentor, nothing like that. This is what I have heard people say time after time after time. Think and Grow Rich, write your goals down. Bob Proctor, write your goals down. Brian Tracy, write your goals down. Everybody says write your goals down, so why not? Write your goals down. So that takes care of, you need to focus. You need to turn off the noise. Stop answering all those ads. Get a plan. Follow your plan. Don't follow it for a week. Don't follow it for a couple of hours. Don't follow it for a month. Follow your plan until it works. Until it works. I heard 2 people say this in the last week. One was on a YouTube video. This gentleman said that he makes 7 figures a year. He also stated, and he does that with affiliate marketing. Clickbank is affiliate marketing. He also stated is that one of the things that most people get wrong is they're looking for a quick fix. I already told you there are no quick fixes. For some people, it might take 6 months. For some people, it might take 3 months. For some people, it might take 1 year. For some, it might take 2 years. This is what I would say. This is what they told me. This is what my mentor told me, and I'm going to share that person with you in a second. Nobody was successful. None of these guys were successful overnight. They went through the same pains and trials and tribulations that you and I are going through. The difference is they didn't sway. They didn't quit. Another thing that you can do or that you need to do is that you have to be willing to invest in you. You have to be willing to make you better. It's not the software. It's not the guru. It's not the different courses. It's you becoming more aware of how to do your skill set better. Okay, so I know what you're thinking because I thought the same thing too. I'm marketing Clickbank, Bill. I mean, just tell me about Clickbank. Here's the deal. You have to invest in you to become a better marketer. Yeah, you're selling Clickbank. But when you figure it out, how to drive traffic, how to set up a email sequence or email funnel, when you figure it out, the money's going to start flowing in. It's going to start flowing in fast. But for right now, you have to think like an entrepreneur, not like an employee. Employees get paid by the hour. I don't need to get paid by the hour. You have to think like an owner, and you got to put in the time to do what you need to do to make it work. Do what you need to do. Stay there long enough. Stay there. Be predetermined. You're going to make it work. This is a plan by my mentor. His name is Paul Murray. Paul has a training. This training, he's going to show you his 5-step system from how to go from A to Z and get traffic online. Well, now after going through all that, let me ask you a question. What's holding you back? What has been your magic bullet? Mine was being in a hurry, not taking my time, not having enough patience, or going from program to program. Had to stop doing that. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please subscribe to the button below. And don't forget to click on the bell to where you will be notified when I bring you more videos dealing with marketing Clickbank items. And in my next video, I'm going to talk about some brand new strategies to make money with Clickbank using YouTube. All right? Thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Peace.